I'm Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a piping bag using a piece of greaseproof paper. And this is episode 4 of How To. As you can see there, I've cut that square piece into a triangle. So you have 3 points of your triangle. And what you want to do, grab your top points, your bottom, so I'm doing this backwards, hopefully I'm doing this right. So you want to grab 1 point, like so, and you want to join it with that other point, okay? And then you grab your 3rd point, so there's your bottom part of your triangle, and you want to just wrap it, it's hard to do it backwards, wrap it around, okay? So wrap it around those 2 points. So see there, so there's your 2 points that I've already got together, there's your 3rd point. I'm going to wrap that round until all your points come together. And if you fiddle about with your points, you can get the bottom of it to seal as well. So what we do, once we've got those 3 points together, I'm just folding them over. That's how I'm going to make it secure, stop it from coming apart. Just fold it over a few times, and that'll make it nice and secure. And it's as simple as that. One piping bag using greaseproof paper. If it is that you like to see videos on how to do your basics, like making your piping bags, your short crust pastry, your puff pastry, do subscribe to my channel. And if you've got any questions, comments, or if there's anything in particular you want to know how to do, please pop that in the comments below, and I'll look forward to seeing them and getting back to you. Thank you for watching.